this any way to spend a vacation?
Well?
You bet it isn't. Now what? Oh, someone's at the door, Scoob. Go see who it is.
It's for you.
For me? Wonder who it can be. Zoinks! It's the...
What was that?
It sounded like Shag and Scooby.
Look! It's the pyramid. But what's that glowing?
Zoinks! It's old Karazuma himself.
You have been warned. Leave these sacred grounds at once.
That's fine with me. I'm a great believer in ghostly warnings.
We're
with you. It's the stone creature.
Zoinks! We're trapped! Somebody do something!
Nice going, Scoob! Quick, into the jungle! So far, so good. At least we made it to the pyramid.
The long way around.
But we can't find an entrance, which means there must be a secret passage, right?
A secret passage? Like finding it'll probably take all night. Short night, wasn't it?
Good work, Shag.
You have not heeded my warnings.
It's Karazuma, but he's shrunk to our size.
Now you will suffer the curse of Kadazuma.
Let's throw a little light on the subject. Run, girls!
Wow, it sure is dark and scary in here. Stay close.
Okay.
Not that close.
Look, Karazuma.
Zoinks! What'll we do?
Quick, he hasn't seen us yet. Inside.
Yeah, he'll never find us in here.
And neither will anyone else. Ever. What was that?
Keep going, keep going. We'll chase them into a crate and slam it closed. Look. Well, so much for our plan. Hang on, guys. Have a nice trip.
Zoinks! There's that walking pile of rocks waiting for us.
Okay, gang, behind those crates.